Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talk about pattern in multiplication. In this lesson I'm going to teach you how to multiply a decimal number by power of 10 for finding the product. Example number 1, we have this pattern 0.3 multiplied by 1. We know any number multiplied by 1 equal to the number without change. So 0.3 multiplied by 1 equal to 0.3. After that, 0.3 multiplied by 10. When you multiply a decimal number by 10 or 100 or 1000, it is called or are called power of 10. Only the decimal point move. And then in multiplication, this decimal point move to the right side. And then we have 10. In 10 we have 1 0. It means this decimal point move 1 steps to the right side when we multiply by 10. So this decimal point move 1 steps to the right side. So the product is 3.0. It means the product is equal to only 3 because this decimal point does not have any value and 0, and this 0 does not have any value, so the product is 3. After that, when you multiply 0.3 by 100, this decimal point moves 2 steps to the right side, 1, and then we don't have any number for the second number, so you have to add 1 0. This is 1 and 2, so the product is 30. After that, 0.3 multiplied by 1000. This decimal point moves 3 steps to the right because we have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. We have to add 2 zeros, so the product is 300. Example number 2, we have 2.845 multiplied by 10. When you multiply by 10, this decimal point move 1 steps to the right side. So this is 1 steps. You have to write the decimal point between 8 and 4. So the product is 28.45. After that, 2.845 multiplied by 100. This decimal point moves 2 steps to the right because we have 2 zeros. 1, 2. We have to write the decimal point between 4 and 5. So the product is 284.5. After that, when we multiply by 1000, this decimal point moves 3 steps to the right side because we have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. We don't have any decimal point in the product. 2845. After that, when we multiply by 10,000, this decimal point moves 4 steps to the right side because we have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3. We have to add 1 0. So the product is 28,450. Example number 3, we have 24.67 multiplied by 10. When we multiply by 10, this decimal point moves only 1 step to the right side. We have to write the decimal point between 6 and 7. So the product is 246.7. 24.67 multiplied by 100. This decimal point moves 2 steps to the right side. 1, 2. So the product, in the product we don't have any decimal point. The product is 2467. When we multiply by 1000, this decimal point moves 3 steps to the right side. 1, 2. We have to add 1 0. So the product is 24,670. And then when we multiply by 10,000, this decimal point moves 4 steps to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to add 2 zeros, so the product is 246,700. And then last example number 4, we have 0.005 multiplied by 1 equal to the same number without change, because the multiplication is 1. And then when we multiply by 10, this decimal point moved 1 step to the right side, so equal to 0.05. And then when we multiply by 100, this decimal point moves 2 steps to the right side, so equal to only 0.5. After that, when we multiply by 1000, this decimal point moves 3 steps to the right side, 1, 2, 3, equal to only 5.